Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. First, confirm your Mac OS version and that you're signed into an Apple ID. This avoids install blocks. Next, decide whether to get Word from the App Store or via Microsoft 365. Each method requires a sign-in. Once decided, open Spotlight with Command plus space and type Word to check if it's already installed. If Spotlight shows nothing, open the App Store app immediately and search Microsoft Word to begin the download. This starts the process fast, and if you chose the App Store path, tap Get or Install and authenticate with your Apple ID. The App Store handles updates automatically. If you prefer Microsoft's installer, download the PKG after signing into your Microsoft account, open the file, and follow each installer prompt. Agree to permissions and select the Applications folder. Meanwhile, make sure to check /applications and Launchpad for an existing Word app. Sometimes it's already installed but not in the dock, and finding it here saves time. Open Word from the Applications folder or your dock, then sign in with your Microsoft account to activate your license so features work. If Word won't open, make sure Mac OS and Word updates are installed. Use the App Store or Microsoft Auto Update. Outdated software is a common cause. If problems continue, quit Word, remove its preference file, and relaunch. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Word. This reset resolves most issues, and contacting Microsoft support is the final step if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.